Spring just hit IKEA and it's giving vibes. The colors are brighter, the outdoor pieces are cuter, and everything just feels so cozy. So before everything sells out, I'm showing you the must-see IKEA Spring Finds for 2026. The pieces that are affordable, fresh, and just way too cool to ignore. I'm On, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go. The first spring IKEA find I have for you is this beautiful coffee table. This is the $49.99 table that is about to be everywhere. It works indoors, it works outdoors, it works on a tiny balcony, and it works next to your sofa if you're into that clean white spring look. The size is just perfect for small patios, and the airy design keeps everything feeling light instead of bulky. This is such a spring win that I hope to see in more colors this year. And speaking of tables and IKEA Spring Finds, you just have to see the GRYTSHOLM set of 2 nesting tables. These 2 tables are just undefeated for spring. I just love this shape so much, not to mention the black-blue color that feels so fresh and so modern. The best thing about these is that they not only feel light, but you can also pull them apart when you have guests, tuck them away when you don't, and they look gorgeous both ways. Loving these 2 so much and just can't wait to see them in stores. Next up, we are moving on to affordable seating, and here we have the new TORPARÖ Armchair, which is the new IKEA spring gem everybody's talking about. At just $45 for an outdoor chair, this one is on my shopping list for sure. It's minimal, easy to mix with literally any table, and you can stack a few around a small patio without it looking crowded. Add a cushion and suddenly you have such a Pinterest moment. And if you're more into lounging energy, then the VIGGSÖ Lounge chair is the perfect spring refresh. This one folds, which means it's tiny balcony approved. It's comfortable enough for long coffee mornings, but sleek enough that it doesn't look like a camping furniture. This is the I read books outside chair, and I'm all for it. Loving it so much. Now, a new IKEA find I'm just dying to get this spring is the SOLVINDEN Lamp stand. Now, this one is so cute. It comes in 2 sizes with a different hook, and I honestly can't decide which one I love most. It's perfect not only for lanterns and lights on cozy outdoor evenings, but you can also use it for hanging plants, fairy lights, or even suspending small outdoor tech like a portable speaker or projector setup. It's just basically a little spring hack for only $14.99. Now let's talk lighting for a moment, because IKEA did not come to play this spring, and of course the SOLVINDEN collection is the true winner here. First, we have this cute arched floor lamp in red that is just super cool. It's bold, fun, adds so much personality and coziness to any outdoor setup. I just like it so much. Another lamp from this same collection is also this solar floor lamp that looks just stunning. I love the wavy stand and the fact that you can add it anywhere since it's cord-free. It's practical, aesthetic, and just so stylish. Plus, the solar panels hidden behind it turns on automatically when it gets dark and turns off when it gets light again, which is just amazing. And another one that's unfortunately not available in US stores yet, but looks too cute not to be mentioned, is this LED solar ground stick. And again, cozy outdoor globe light you can just stick in the ground and let the sun do the work. moving on to the next IKEA spring gems, and these are for my plant people. First up, I have this gorgeous watering can that looks so stylish and just so good. This one also comes in green, but this stainless steel version just feels so sculptural and so retro. It's definitely one of those practical pieces you will leave out as a decor. Another new piece from the spring IKEA collection I just really love is the MÄVINN Plant pot. This one has that handmade textured vibe that makes even basic plants look intentional. It adds warmth and color and just looks super cute styled with a plant. Also, this yellow one looks so unique. It has gently twisted pattern and warm yellow tone, making it the perfect decorative pot for your spring plants. Another great spring IKEA find for your plants is this cute self-watering insert. These decorative self-watering inserts are just so cute. Plus, when you fill them with water and stick them into the soil, your plants get just the right amount of water that they need to thrive, which is amazing. These are made from colored glass that looks so aesthetic while being super practical at the same time. Also, this plant trellis set that adds that playful sculptural touch, making climbing plants feel styled instead of messy. The mixed shapes give movement and personality, so even a simple pothos suddenly feels like it's a part of a design decision, not just a plant sitting in the corner. Now, if you're thinking bigger when it comes to the plants, just check out the ASPAREN Planter, which instantly makes an outdoor space feel structured and intentional. The long silhouette is just perfect for lining a wall, defining a seating area, or even creating a little privacy moment on a balcony. And that soft gray keeps it modern without overpowering the greenery. It's definitely one of those pieces that upgrades everything around it, yet comes at a great price point. Now, another great IKEA spring find for the table is the MÄVINN Table runner. This one adds texture in the most relaxed and the most effortless way. The banana fiber and stripe pattern give that natural layered look that feels curated and just handmade. It works just as beautifully on a dining table as it does on a console table or even outdoors for a spring dinner setup. Also, these gorgeous placemats that come in this white and minty stripy pattern and look way too cool to be ignored this spring. And we're finishing off with two great finds from the MÄVINN collection. First, we have this beautiful and so unique handmade rug. I mean, just look at how stunning this one looks. The mix of colors brings energy into a neutral space and makes everything feel more playful and just lived in, especially if your furniture is minimal and you want one statement piece to warm it up without going heavy. Also, the MÄVINN candlestick, which is one of those small details that ties everything together. It's simple, sculptural, easy to layer with other pieces, and just perfect for adding height and warmth. Whether it's on a dining table, shelf, or outside, this one will add those spring vibes into your space, shifting your home from winter into spring. And that's a wrap for today. Okay, now tell me which one we are pretending we don't need, but are absolutely adding in our cart anyways. Are we doing a full balcony or backyard glow up? Let me know in the comment section below along with which pieces were your favorite. And do you maybe want me to do a backyard refresh using these IKEA pieces? Just let me know and I'll do it. I'm definitely planning on redoing my backyard, so that can be a fun video to watch. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Mars just left his famous chair. But there's no hiding Mars. There's no hiding, buddy. Plus, you're awake. Plus, you're awake. Say hi. Should we do a live, guys? Let us know which day also and what hour works best for you. Right, Mars? Right? Also, we may include Zara too. Look at how cute she is, guys. Bye.